got errands to run, y'all, so let me go get my purse. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. So I am applying my wig. I'm doing me a little wig install because it's time to switch it up. I already washed and air dried my wig. So all I gotta do is just, of course, style it, you know, probably blow dry a little bit more and style it. But y'all, it feels so good. So right now, I already pulled, well, my hair is braided. I already pulled my little baby hairs back. I already applied some EDIN spray on the stocking cap, so now it should be dry. I'm actually gonna cut it. And this is what kind I got. So now, you just cut it. We are basically bald headed. I'm gonna apply my lace glue. So I'm just gonna apply this like literally directly on top of. Now I'm just gonna like push it back. And this is just like the first coat, y'all. Like we literally gonna do about 2 more coats. So now that the first layer is basically done, y'all, I'm gonna apply another layer. So this is the second layer that I'm doing right now. And I'm just gonna apply where I applied it the first time. So along my edge. Okay, second set done dries. Now we're gonna do one more. Okay, now that we're finally done with the gluing process, y'all, I'm gonna put my wig on. And this is actually an Amazon wig. I've reused it probably over like 5 times, y'all, for real. So yeah, time to slay into a bad bitch, y'all. We gonna just put the wig on first. We're not even gonna try to lay it yet, y'all, okay? We're just gonna make sure that it goes from ear to ear. You can like do the back though. The little clip at the back, you can go ahead and put it in though. But this, we're not gonna do nothing with this yet. Make sure like all your baby hairs like on the lace is completely like combed back. And you can clip it too, because that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip this side. We're gonna clip this side. Y'all, if this turns out good, I'm gonna keep doing this because I applied before, I did record it, it was really good. So this time I'm like, you know what? Let me do it again. And let me record it this time. Okay, so now, and then just hold your hand right there. And it's still gonna probably like lift up a few pieces, but we're not done. We're gonna just lay it first, okay? We still got some steps to do though. Okay, we got one side on, we got one side on. Okay, so that's one side, y'all. We got done. We're gonna let that melt in there for a few. I just know this is gonna feel so good. Okay. Yeah, I know like when it's just too tight around your ears. Okay. And we still have to put like some powder right here. So the lace ain't done, but it's most definitely laid. It really is. Okay, we found out they need a little something. Alright, we gotta hot comb this now. I don't know if I'm doing a middle or a side part, y'all. So I just got my wax stick. So now we just finna put some up top. Cause now we finna hot comb this part, y'all, you know. Finna make it really flat up there. And I know some people like part it too, you know, but whenever I decide if I'm wearing a middle part or a side part, I think I'm gonna do a side part, and then I'll go and into depths with it. But right now I'm just doing the top. Like this cream and powder mix, but I'm gonna use the powder. Trying to figure out how low I want my side part to be. Is that good right here? Yeah, boom, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a side part, y'all. So I'm just gonna go back over it with my wax because it's definitely puffy. So now I'm gonna split it. Because we need this to be flat. We need this to be flat. Hot comb. And if you feel like your part, y'all see how my part is like a little too light, or it's like balding a little bit? Don't worry, we gonna fix this, okay? We really gonna fix this. Show y'all a little tricky trick. So I know, like, if you have old wigs, you know, you keep reapplying it, the balding definitely happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna show y'all how to fix this, okay? So 1 second. Okay, y'all, and you see how we have like some extra lace right there? I already did it a little bit right here. You can like put some glue right there, some sprints, whatever, but I'm just gonna cut it, honestly. This part, y'all, is a wax comb and this color thickener, okay? And it comes out a lot, so be careful, literally. Oh, and you need concealer. I'm gonna get mine out in a minute, but you need concealer, y'all. You're just gonna lay your wax comb on your part, okay? And you're just gonna spray. Okay, like so. So make sure all that excess is gone. And just put concealer on your comb. Literally, your comb. And then you just lay the concealer where the cavity is. And whenever you put the concealer on it, just like keep rubbing on it, like back and forth. And you can put some more. Because I can really finesse this myself. And y'all can too, okay? Y'all see this? Y'all see this, right? Yeah, y'all can do this too. I promise you. And even if you don't really know how to braid down for your wig cap, I be seeing so many people like do a twist method, or they like plait their hair. I mean, I know how to braid for the most part, so I just put me some cornrows in, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun with this. And I'm gonna put the wig information in the description box below, because y'all do not sleep on Amazon wigs, okay? It definitely gives neat. And y'all look at this hair. Look how silky this hair is. Like, I don't mind learning like other ways, okay? So feel free to put tips down in the comments below, y'all, okay? Okay, y'all, that includes the video. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, y'all.